Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your outreach metrics with RingCentral call logs, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify your outreach metrics with RingCentral call logs, start by logging into your RingCentral account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the left-hand side, locate and click on the call log option. This will direct you to a comprehensive list of your recent calls. In the call log section, you can filter calls based on specific criteria. Use the date range filter to select the time frame for your outreach efforts. You can also filter by type, such as inbound, outbound, or missed calls. To refine your search further, consider using the search bar to input specific contact names or numbers. Once you've set your filters, review the displayed call records. Each entry will show details such as the date, time, duration, and direction of the call. Next, cross-check these metrics with your outreach records. Focus on the outbound calls to ensure they align with your campaign efforts. If necessary, export the call logs for easier analysis. You can do this by clicking on the Export button, usually found at the top right corner. Choose your preferred file format, such as CSV or Excel. After exporting, open the file in your chosen application for detailed review. Compare the call durations and outcomes against your outreach goals. Assess the success rates and identify any discrepancies in your metrics. Finally, document your findings and adjust your outreach strategy as needed. This process will not only ensure accuracy but also enhance your overall campaign effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.